and just a few promo slides. Other than that, this was all I had prepared. So Karen, if you happen to have questions.
Yeah, we have a couple of questions in, and
Perfect.
anybody out there who has a question, this would be a good time to go ahead and put it in the questions box. So the first question is, what did you just do to make the cards smaller? That was when you had the text cards up.
Okay, 1 second. One sec. All good. So my cards. All good. So if I run, they didn't become smaller. I just my images become smaller, right? So the cards, they always keep the shape as they are, and then I think I had 3 on a screen so that they can go wide as 3 cards, and then I apply some shifts to my image. So if I undo my image stuff, so if I go back, I don't know if that was with me, but I apologize. All good. So if we take this out, which is just the image plus, so we'll find that one. So cards, banner, all good. So let me, just for the simplicity of answering your questions, so if I drop all that's going away is the image class, and pretty much once you run it, all good. Karen, I don't know if you're hearing this, because
Yes, I can hear you.
all good. No, it's just silly noises in there somewhere.
Oh, no, I don't hear the noises.
Perfect. No is better than so. Okay, so what I've done is just drop the classes. All good, and so pretty much what causes this card to be big is just an image, right? So if I control the image here, so if I go inspect the image, and if I do max width 600, it should, yeah, so it, I'll just wait, and then I can take this down to like 150 or something, and then you see how my card changed just because the image was down, right?
Karen, could you mute your mic for a second, Mirren or Karen?
I'm sorry.
I'm having a horrible noise on this end as well, so I don't know if it's me or someone else. But I apologize.
Yeah, Kieran, please, could you try muting your mic for just a sec? Thank you.
Thanks, Thijs. And that was pretty much so pretty much the cards are dictated, or the height of the cards is dictated by this image, right? If you make the image smaller, then the cards become smaller, right? And that's why the cards became smaller in at some point when I applied CSS. Hopefully that's going to answer that question as well. Karen, if there's anything else.
Okay, next question is, how do you refresh UT in an app, migrating from 5.1 to 18.x?
That's a great question. So if you go to apex.oracle.com/ut, there's a migration guide here, and then there's a link called Updating Universal Theme. It pretty much explains what you need to do here with it. Bottom line is, you go into your universal theme, you need to apply verify, which is going to run a check whether or not you're on the latest universal theme. As you can see in my screen here, if I can zoom that in a little bit, pretty much then it says, yep, you're not up to date. Then you say, okay, I want to refresh, and pretty much then your team becomes up to date with the latest version of it. So all you have to do is apex.oracle.com/ut, and pretty much there's a migration guide. There's a link under it to just read through, and it gives you all the steps there. Perfect. Any other questions, Karen?
Yes, actually 2 people sent in the same question. Can you share a link for your application that you had in the demo? I don't know if that's the same one you just showed, but maybe if you could show it for a minute.
I'm happy to share. Probably we can make it available for download or something along these lines at some point when the video also becomes available. Hopefully that's going to be okay for people.
Okay, the next question is, have you experienced any problems when upgrading apps using Universal Theme from 5.1 to 18 or 19?
So you would be surprised. I had the biggest issue with my upgrades between version 5 and 5.1. And after that, migrations usually were pretty good, and there were not like major issues with it. I couldn't point anything on 18.1 or 18.2 or 19.1 as well. Nothing that rings a bell in my head straight away.
Okay, I think that is it for the questions. Apparently the noise that people can hear is when my microphone is on. I can't hear it, so I don't know what it is. I will just go ahead and say one last thing before we close the webinar, and that is for the random drawing, we will be sending out the 4 winners an email shortly. And it will have some more information on how to redeem your prizes. I want to thank you all for attending. Lino, thank you so much for presenting today, and I hope everybody has a great rest of your day.